Hey viewers, today I'll tell you how you can download and install important apps in your Windows all at once, because often we have to install each application separately. So here's a simple solution I'm going to tell you about. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for ninite.com. The website will open where you can select web browsers, messaging apps, security, and many other applications. Choose your necessary applications from here. Scroll down to click on Get Your Ninite. Download it and open. Click on Run. Now, see your application starting to download. And then observe them installing or see that it is installed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more updates.